to my Ultrasound Scrapbook page. The first step that we will be doing is creating the upper part, which is going to be our title. First, you're going to need glue. I like this glue the best because it dries clear, but it also doesn't make a mess of your project. I found this really adorable eye image in the Cricut that I'll put in the description below, along with the other images and fonts that I use in this video. Once it's cut, it's really easy to just follow the instructions and glue them where the Cricut tells you to glue it. There's our eyes! Now you're going to take your white letters and glue them on top of all the black pieces. I think it just gives it a nice clean look that you want. I do it backwards? Oh, I totally did it backwards. Shoot. Now that those are all glued and ready to pop, we're going to glue the eyes in the middle and spell them out. All I do for this part is find a calendar that I really like, and then if I need to, I type in the exact date, and then I pick where I want it to be, which is right there. And then for around the 29, we're going to put this cute little heart. Now you're going to cut out your ultrasound picture and glue it on a decorative paper. I chose this orange paper with white polka dots all over it. And once you cut it out, you're going to glue it in the left corner under SNE. The next step that I'm going to do is these stickers. I'm going to use the letters to spell out due date along the top here. So I didn't realize my camera died, but what I did is at the top of this picture, I put the date of when the ultrasound was taken. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the ribbon that tells you how many weeks we were when we got this taken. For us, it was 10 weeks. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue that right there. And this will be going somewhere along here. I just always measure this to the end of the paper after putting it in the back. That way I have as much as I want to work with, and then I can trim it when I'm done. Doesn't mean I always maybe have too much, potentially, but not always. Why are these so much bigger than I remember them being? Like, I did not have them be that big. What in the world? Well, let's just perform a magic trick. There, now it is 2 inches high. So you just tie it like a shoe. The next step is taking the pregnant lady and framing our ultrasound picture in the middle of her belly. This was really easy in the Cricut. All you do is go in and place a circle in the middle of her belly where you want it on her dress and hit slice. For the project, it has it laid out to cut this direction, but because I'm doing a designed piece of paper, you need to mirror it. All you have to do to flip it to be in the direction that you want, you come over here, hit mirror like you would if it was iron-on. And voila. Okay, the next step is adding our picture. We're gonna first, before we glue it down, make sure that the picture fits where we want it to, which it does. By gluing it on before cutting it out, I have just found it's so much easier to frame the picture in the way that we want to. And then after cutting it out, I glued the lady below our ribbon. And now we need to put these on. How I made these really cute heart-shaped note cards to write the name ideas we have for our baby who's coming is I got a square and I changed the size to 2.5 by 3, and then I duplicated it. Once I picked the colors that I wanted, which were blue and pink, I got a heart shape. I originally duplicated, but then I figured out an easier way to do it with just one heart. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take that rectangle that you have behind the heart and duplicate it. Change the height to 0.01, and then as you continue going down, you're going to add lines within your heart so you can write the names that you've been thinking of for this baby. Once you have all the lines you want, you're going to flatten it, duplicate it, and repeat the process by just changing the colors on the right to pink for the girl. Now that I'm going to glue these into our scrapbook page, I'm going to use the 0.4 tip armadillo to write in our girl name ideas, which is Rose, April, Alice, and Christine, and our boy name ideas, which are Henry, Joseph, Anthony, and Will. Here's my ultrasound at 10 weeks old scrapbook page. I think it turned out really cute. I love the due date, and I just love how you see the adorable new baby that's coming. Thanks for watching. Bye!